Today I'm going to show you how to pause your location on Life360. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to pause your location on Life360. Right, so this is how we can do it. We're not going to do it inside the app because there isn't an option to do exactly that, right? We're going to go over here to our device settings. Now, once you're in your device settings, right, this is your phone settings. You want to come down over here and you want to look for apps. Once you go into apps, you'll be able to look for your app. So I'm going to just literally use the search icon over here. I'm just going to type in Life and I'm going to get my app. I'm going to come all the way down over here to usage. It says mobile data. And over here, it says allow background data usage. Turn it off. This will not update your data. And it will also not update your location, okay? So if you also do have permissions, all right? So go into permissions and look for location. And make sure that this also says don't allow. You can turn this off just temporarily. And then when you want to have your location visible again, go back in here and tap on the allow all the time. And it'll change that. There we go, quickly and easily.